Class 5th Standard. Subject General Knowledge. Topics Task number 29 to 34. Task number 29. Famous autobiographies. What is autobiography? Autobiography is one type of biography which tells a life story of its author. Once again, I repeat it. The story of person's life is written by that person. Okay, student? Now, I am going to discuss about some famous autobiographies. First one, Playing It My Way, is written by Sachin Tendulkar. Playing It My Way is written by Sachin Tendulkar. Second autobiography name is My Side. My Side is written by David Beckham. My Side is written by David Beckham. Third one is Against Odds is written by Sania Mirza. Is Against Odds. Autobiography is written by Sania Mirza. Next, fourth one, A.B. The autobiography is written by A.B. de Villiers. Next, fifth one, The Race of My Life. An autobiography is written by Milkha Singh. Next, sixth one, Unbreakable is written by Mary Kom. Unbreakable is written by Mary Kom. Next, task number 30. Books and authors. Identify the authors of these books and write their names in the blanks. So children, now I tell one by one. First one, A Passage to India book is written by E.M. Forster. A Passage to India book is written by E.M. Forster. Second one, The Discovery of India is written by Jawaharlal Nehru. The Discovery of India is written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Third one, The Story of My Experiments with Truth by Mahatma Gandhi. The Story of My Experiments with Truth is written by Mahatma Gandhi. Fourth one, The Guide. The Guide is written by R.K. Narayan. Next, fifth one, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. The Adventures of Tom Sawyer is written by Mark Twain. Sixth one, The Old Man and the Sea. The Old Man and the Sea is written by Ernest Hemingway. Seventh one, Treasure Island is written by R.L. Stevenson. Treasure Island by R.L. Stevenson. Next, eighth one, The Jungle Book is written by Rudyard Kipling. Rudyard Kipling. Next, ninth one, Around the World in 80 Days. Around the World in 80 Days is written by Jules Verne. Around the World in 80 Days is written by Jules Verne. 10th one, The Merchant of Venice book is written by William Shakespeare. Next, 11th one, The Fault in Our Stars. The Fault in Our Stars is written by John Green. 12th one, The Audacity of Hope. The Audacity of Hope is written by Barack Obama. Next, 13th one, My Journey, Transforming Dreams into Actions is written by Abdul Kalam. My Journey Transforming Dreams into Actions is written by Abdul Kalam. Long Walk to Freedom. Long Walk to Freedom is written by Nelson Mandela. Long Walk to Freedom book is written by Nelson Mandela. Next task number is 31. The topic is the environment. Keeping it clean. Dear children, now learn how to keep your environment clean. Use the help box to fill in the blanks. First one, dash the use of electrical appliances. Answer is reduce. We reduce the use of electrical appliances. Okay. Second one, to reduce, dash walk short distances instead of using the car. The answer is pollution. To reduce pollution, walk short distances instead of using the car. Okay. Third one, reduce the use of wood burning dash to prevent air pollution. Reduce the use of wood burning cooking stoves to prevent air pollution. Next, fourth one, reduce the use of chemicals and pesticides. Fourth one, reduce the use of chemicals and pesticides. The answer is pesticides. Fifth one, dash waste products. Yes, recycle the waste products. The answer is recycle. Next, sixth one, grow your dash locally. Grow your food locally. Next, seventh one, dash to school or work to reduce pollution. Yes, the answer is cycle. Cycle to school or work to reduce pollution. Next, eighth one, say no to dash and switch to cloth bags. Say no to plastic bags. Ninth one, separate your wet and dry dash before disposing it. The answer is garbage. Separate your wet and dry garbage before disposing it. Next, 10th one, use dash things. Eco-friendly things. Use eco-friendly things. Next, task number 32, mobile language. Write the correct letter against the text or icon used for mobile chats. Children, here some emoji pictures and text are given. So now I read one by one. First one, laughing out loud. Shortcut word is LOL. L means laughing. O means out. L means loud. So, laughing out loud. The shortcut way is LOL. Second one is sleeping. Yes, sleeping face. The emoji is tired, wants to go to bed. Good night and sweet dreams. Yes, in comics or cartoons, Z above the head stands for sleeping character. Yes, so second one, sleeping emoji picture, sleeping character is given. So the second one answer is E. Next, third one, you only live once. Yes, the shortcut word is YOLO. Y means you, O means only, L means live, O means once. So you only live once. The shortcut method is YOLO. Okay. Fourth one, punching. Yes, the answer is H. See the H picture. The emoji is an expressive face used to convey emotions. So fourth one, question punching. The answer is H. Next, fifth one, sad. Yes, the answer is A. See the A picture, crying face. Sad means crying. So, fifth one, sad, crying face. The answer is A, crying face. Next, sixth one, thank you so much. Yes, the shortcut chatting name is TYSM. Okay. Next, seventh one. Be right back. Be right back. Yes, the answer is B or B. Next, eighth one. By the way. By the way. Yes, the shortcut answer is BTW. Next, oh my God. Yes. Oh my God. The shortcut word is OMG. Next, 10th one. Talk to you later. Yes, the answer is TTUL. Okay. TTUL is a shortcut word. Next, task number 33, martial arts in India. Read the description and fill in the missing letters to name the martial art form. Okay. First one, the oldest fighting system in existence which originated in Kerala. Yes, the answer is Kalari Payattu. Kalari Payattu. Okay. Second one, a weapon based martial art form from Tamil Nadu. Yes, the answer is Silambam. Next, third one, a martial art form created by the Sikhs of Punjab. Yes, the answer is Gatka. Next, fourth one, techniques used in this martial art from Varanasi are punches, kicks, knee and elbow strikes. Yes, the answer is Musti Yuddha. Yes, the answer is Musti Yuddha. Fifth one, an ancient Manipuri martial art. Tang Ta. Yes, the answer is Tang Ta. An ancient Manipuri martial art. Answer is Tang Ta. Next, sixth one. This is a popular sport in Indian villages. Yes, the answer is Lati. The answer is Lati. Next, seventh one, a form of martial art from Kolhapur, Maharashtra, which involves the wielding of swords and sticks. Yes, the answer is Mardani Khel. Mardani Khel. Okay. Next, eighth one, a form of fighting using swords and shields. Shields that is still practiced in different parts of Bihar. Yes, the answer is Barikhanda. The answer is Barikhanda. A form of fighting using swords and shield that is still practiced in different parts of Bihar. The answer is Parikhanda. Parikhanda. Okay. Next, ninth one, a martial art form from Himachal Pradesh that involves archery. Yes, the answer is Toda. Toda. Next, tenth one, a form of martial art from Manipur that involves an armed combat as well as the use of weapons such as the sword and the spear. Yes, the answer is Huyen Langan. Huyen Langan. See next last task. Task number 34 about films. Choose the correct answer. First one. Julie Andrews acted in this film. Yes, the answer is The Sound of Music. Second one, he directed Jurassic Park, a popular film about dinosaurs. Yes, the answer is Steven Spielberg. Steven Spielberg. Next, third one, the most popular film award in the world. Yes, the answer is the Academy Awards, Oscar Award. The Academy Awards. Next, fourth one, the actor who played the hero in the film Skyfall. Yes, the answer is Daniel Craig. Daniel Craig. Next, fifth one, the role played by Heath Ledger in the film The Dark Knight. Yes, the answer is Joker. The role played by Heath Ledger in the film The Dark Knight. Yes, the answer is Joker. Next, sixth one, a person who modifies and prepares a film for its release. The answer is editor. Last one, I repeat it again. A person who modifies and prepares a film for its release. Yes, the answer is editor. Thank you, children.